Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect your weight loss plan with Noom step by step clearly. Start by downloading the Noom app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app once the installation is complete. Create an account by entering your email address and setting a password. Complete the initial questionnaire to help Noom understand your weight loss goals. Provide details about your current weight, height, age, and gender. Set your target weight to reach by the end of your weight loss journey. Select your daily activity level based on your lifestyle and habits. Review the personalized coaching options that Noom offers. Choose a subscription plan that fits your needs and budget. Navigate to the meal tracker to log your daily food intake. Input meals by searching the extensive food database or by scanning barcodes. Track your exercise by adding activities into the fitness tracker. Monitor your progress by checking the weight and health trends feature regularly. Engage with your coach through chat for personalized guidance and motivation. Participate in daily quizzes and articles to educate yourself on nutrition and healthy habits. Explore the community feature to connect with others on similar journeys. Utilize the reminders and notifications to stay accountable to your goals. Evaluate your progress weekly and adjust your plan as needed for optimal results. Celebrate small victories to keep your motivation high along the way. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.